much, many. In this lesson, I will go through the difference between these two words. Essentially, they both mean the same thing. They refer to a large amount of something. However, we use them in different contexts. Much is used with uncountable nouns. It refers to a large amount. Now I will go through 3 types of sentences in which we can use the word much: a positive sentence, a negative sentence, and a question. For example, the party was so much fun. The uncountable noun in this sentence is fun. I didn't get much sleep last night. This is an example of a negative sentence. The uncountable noun in this sentence is sleep. How much money do you have? Many. Many is used with countable nouns. Again, it refers to a large amount. For example, she has many friends. The countable noun in this sentence is friends. So we're saying that she has a large number of friends. There aren't many people here. The countable noun in this sentence is people. How many properties do you own? The countable noun in this sentence is properties.